Minister. I'd also like to extend a warm invitation to visit the wonderful Ceredigion Preseli coastline in the summer. We've mentioned, or we've heard a lot of mention this afternoon about a possible reduction to the rate of VAT for hospitality and tourism businesses, and I wonder whether that's something the government could consider, not only to give hope to many hospitality businesses of survival, but also some confidence that they might be able to invest actually in their businesses.
I thank the honourable member for his intervention. I might have quite a busy diary coming up if I said yes to everyone in this room, but I'll certainly take that away for that kind of invitation. He will know our recent announcements to boost summer demand, delivering that temporary targeted VAT cuts on family-focused hospitality and leisure, alongside our wider cost of living measures and support, which is really important when money is back in people's pockets, how they can spend and support our local high streets, support our brilliant hospitality businesses that are there. He will know that the government keeps all taxes under review as part of the policy-making process, and the Chancellor will announce any changes to the tax system at fiscal events in the usual way.